आज मेरो छोरीको बर्थडे ह्याप्पी बर्थडे टु मेरो छोरीलाई। मेरो छोरीले सधैँ हप्तामा एकचोटि स्कुल जाने बेलामा परिवारलाई खाना खुवाउँथ्यो, आज फेरि खुवाउँदैछ ल। ए छोरी, ए you okay? You more. Can you give some? Tirakan satu tim luar. Oh.
I think we ran a lot.
Oh, you all got it now?
Okay.
All, yeah.
There you go.
Look at you, look at me. Hey. You enjoying? You like to feed the bird, yes? Yes.
Looks like birds are big.
Yeah. यसरी थ्रो गरिदेऊ न। Not only one place you. Yes.
I'm throwing it
Oh, scary, you know?
What?
It's scary.
Sorry, birds.
And the bird is scary.
Just gonna
Yes. Where is the water fountain? No water fountain.
Should I put it to the water
No,
fountain?
no, only here.
3, 2, 1. That is so.
मेरो छोरीले सधैँ हप्तामा एकचोटि चराहरूलाई खानेकुरा खुवाउँथ्यो, आज फेरि खुवाउँदैछ। आज त झन् उसको स्पेसल डे बर्थडे होला। मेरो छोरीलाई बर्थडेको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना। सदा निरोगी हुने, सुखी हुने, सबैले मान्ने हुने, धन नाम कमाउने, बुद्धिमानी हुने, कुल पितृ र भगवानले सबै रक्षा गरून्। बढे गए।
They're not even making a sound.
Maybe bird will be happy. Happy bird.
This is why I like pigeons.
Yeah.
They just eat like any type of
Yeah.
any type of food.
But don't give me the, dead expired food. Give only healthy food.
Where's my sticker on here? Sticker one. Where's the sticker? Yeah, you do. It's an award for being the best one.
Yeah. Look at me.
I don't think I've ever seen a white pigeon like that. But I have seen a seagull.
Yeah.
Hey, I want to see that now. Hey. Is that a dog? Do you want to throw some?
There is some more here.
Spending more than 2 minutes on